Good evening, aspirants. Welcome to Eternal Nursing Education classes. Hope you all are doing good and happy Sunday evening. Okay, so let's start with our today's topic, that is just a second. Today we're going to start with LBW. What is LBW? Not with that cricket LBW, of course, leg behind wicket. No, this is low birth weight babies. Okay, so today's the topic is about pediatrics. Okay, child health nursing. Okay, and this topic is very important as it comprises of all the important questions which are important from the NORCET point of view. Today we'll be covering it and hope you will be clear about it at the end of the topic. Okay, so LBW means that is your low birth weight babies. Okay, so means what is low birth weight? How will you understand that the baby is low birth weight? How will you understand ki the baby is below your normal? What is a normal weight, under which will be understanding what is a low birth weight? Okay, for a baby, if the eligibility criteria for a baby for a normal birth weight is, just give me a second, I am showing you. See, the normal weight of a baby is 2.5 kg. Okay, so the normal weight, okay, the normal weight of baby is 2.5 kg. Okay, yes, but if the weight of the baby, is less than the normal, that is called as low birth weight. Means if the weight of the baby is less than normal, what is the normal? The normal is 2.5 kg. Okay, so if the weight of the baby is less than 2.5 kg, then we'll be saying it ki the baby is LBW or the baby is low birth weight. Okay, am I clear? Yes. Okay, just see this. So if the baby if the baby's weight is less than 2.5 kg, then it is called as your low birth weight babies. And in the low birth weight, there is a different classification table is there, in which we'll be understanding there are different categories of your low birth weight. It can be low birth weight, it can be very low birth weight, and it can be extreme low birth weight. Okay, so accordingly we'll be seeing it. Just see, here is a table I've got for you. Just see. Just see, this is the classification table. Okay, this is the classification table, and through which we'll be understanding what are the different criteria for this. Okay, is the table clear for you all? Now can you see this? See, first of all, the normal birth weight is, as I told you, birth weight normal is 2.5 kg or 2500 gram. Okay, that is a normal birth weight. Yes, agar if the baby is weight is less than 2500, if the weight of the baby is less than 2500 grams, because 2.5 kg is 2500 grams, if the weight of the baby is less than 2500 grams or 5.5 pounds, then it is called as your low birth weight. It is low birth weight, means thoda sa baby is LBW, thoda sa low birth weight hai. Okay, if it is less than 2.5. But if the baby's weight is even lower than that, it is less than 1500 grams. If the baby's weight is 1.5 kg, 1.5 kg or you're less than 1500 grams, then we'll be saying it is very low birth weight. Okay, but if the weight of the baby is less than 1000 grams, if the weight of the baby is less than 1000 grams, that is extreme low birth weight babies. Okay, that is your ELBW, extreme low birth weight baby. Okay, am I clear? So there are three categories. Okay, three categories are there. Okay, that is LBW, low birth weight, then very low birth weight, yes, after that extreme low birth weight. Low birth LBW is, that is if the weight of the baby is less than 2.5 kg. Very low birth weight is less than 1.5 kg, yes, and very low birth weight is, it is less than 1 kg or 1000 grams. Okay, so this is the classification table for your LBW or low birth weight babies. This is very important, you need to remember it. Okay, question में कभी कभी पूछ लेता है कि what is the weight of the baby, or if the, suppose for example you are a pediatric nurse and the baby is born and the weight of the baby is something 800 grams or 1000 grams, in which criteria it will be coming. So it will be coming under the criteria of your extreme low birth weight. Okay, so this is all we understand, what is low birth weight babies, what are the different criteria, what is the normal weight. So now we'll be seeing, see this, another thing is that this is how a low birth weight baby looks like. Just see, this is a picture. Okay, and it looks like this. And for what is the most expected management we are doing to preserve, or we are doing to control this low birth weight condition, that also will be studying. Okay, you just see, go through this. This is the chart, just see, classification by gestational age. Okay, though it's not that important, but still it is, you need to know this. Okay, this is a classification chart by as per your gestational age. Okay, see, it is a preterm infant. Okay, preterm infant means if the baby is born, that is less than 34 weeks. Okay, one thing you need to know, if the baby is preterm, okay, if the baby is preterm, then definitely the baby is gonna become low birth weight. This you need to know. Okay, अगर बेबी अगर प्रीटर्म है, अगर टर्म से पहले मतलब इफ द बेबी इज बॉर्न बिफोर 37 वीक से पहले अगर वो बॉर्न करता है नॉर्मल आपका, हम 38 से 41 को हम नॉर्मल रेंज पकड़ते हैं फॉर योर टर्म बेबी. अगर जो बेबी है वो अगर 37 वीक पर या फिर लेस देन 37 वीक पे अगर इफ द बेबी इज टेकिंग बर्थ मीन्स ऑब्वियसली द बेबी इज कॉल्ड एज ए प्रीटर्म बेबी. एंड जो प्रीटर्म बेबीज होते हैं वो लो बर्थ वेट भी होते हैं, दे आर ऑफ हैविंग लो बॉडी वेट. Okay, so that is a preterm infant, that is getting birth between, that is less than 34 weeks. अगर less than 34 weeks, that is a preterm infant. Late preterm is थोड़ा सा 34 से ऊपर, that is your 34 to 37 के रेंज पर. Clear? Then full term infant, as I told you, that is your 38 to 41. Okay, then comes your पोस्ट इन्फेंट, दैट इज योर आपका आफ्टर मीन्स मोर देन 41. ओके, एंड मोर देन 42 के ऊपर से. ओके, क्लियर? सो इफ द बेबी इज टेकिंग बर्थ आफ्टर 42 वीक्स, ओके, आफ्टर 42 वीक्स आप इसे 42 पकड़ लीजिए. ओके, इफ द बेबी इज टेकिंग बर्थ आफ्टर 42 वीक्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ पोस्टर्म. क्लियर? दिस यू नीड टू नो. क्लियर? सो देन विल बी सीइंग दिस. Okay, so as what is the most expected management to treat or to cure this low birth? अगर मान लीजिए बेबी, अगर if the baby is taking birth और baby is low birth weight, what will be going it? आप क्या करने वाले? What are you gonna do to it? क्या छोड़ देंगे ऐसे? नहीं. We are gonna take certain treatments and some expected management is there. So what is the management? This is the management. What is the management? The most expected management for a baby that is low birth weight is KMC. What is KMC? KMC is your kangaroo mother care. Okay, this is the most expected management and more definitive management we gonna treat for a low birth weight baby. तो आप कंगारू मदर केयर क्या है? Just see this image, after this you will understand. See, this is how we are gonna do for a kangaroo mother care. Means it is most prominent about skin to skin contact. Skin to स्किन कॉन्टैक्ट। ठीक है, क्लियर। सो स्किन टू स्किन कॉन्टैक्ट मीन्स बेसिकली सी द अगर एक बेबी अगर प्रीटर्म है, प्रीटर्म अभी मैंने कहा कि इट इज ऑल्सो रिलेटेड टू प्रीटर्म, अगर बेबी प्रीटर्म हो रहा है देन बेबी विल ऑल्सो बी देयर, कि अगर बेबी प्रीटर्म है तो बेबी लो बर्थ वेट भी होगा। यस, एज आई टोल्ड यू। ओके, सो इफ द बेबी इज प्रीटर्म मीन्स उसका जो द बर्थ वेट इज ऑल्सो लेस, तो बेबी में कैच हाइपोथर्मिया, बेबी को हाइपोथर्मिया हो सकता है। सो इमीडिएटली एज अ pediatric nurse, what is your role? Your role is, as soon as the baby is taking birth, you have to prepare for a pre-warm incubator। pre-warm जो रेडियंट फॉर्मर है आपको पहले से ही आपको ऑन करके रखना है उसको, वो completely pre-warm रहेगा। आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू रैप द बेबी विथ स्टेराइल ड्राई वार्म क्लोथ, ओके, सो दैट द बेबी डजंट कैच अस कोल्ड। ओके, द बेबी का जो बॉडी टेम्परेचर है वो रेडिएट होकर वापस नहीं जाना चाहिए। ओके, एंड देन द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज योर KMC। KMC में क्या होता है, विच विल बी ट्रीटिंग योर प्रीटर्म एंड लो बर्थ वेट, विल बी सीइंग दिस। see KMC has got a classical component triad। KMC में क्लासिकल कंपोनेंट ट्राइड है। ओके, पोजीशन, न्यूट्रिशन, follow up and discharge। Okay, so these are the main things। Okay, these are some important factors of your KMC। Okay, these things helps to improve the birth weight of the baby as well as helps in preventing hypothermia in a baby। How we'll be understanding this? First is your position। Position means the baby has to be kept over the mother's breast। मदर्स ब्रेस्ट के ऊपर बेबी को यू हैव टू लेट द बेबी लाई ऑन द मदर्स ब्रेस्ट विथ हेड टर्न टू वन साइड। ओके, मीन्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल्स just see this photo। See, the baby is lying on the mother's breast as well as the head of the baby is turned to one side so that the baby can breathe properly, otherwise baby को asphyxia हो सकता है। Okay, so the mother has to take a phallus position, okay, or serious lying position, then the baby has to be kept over the mother's breast, in between the mother's breast, okay, and the head of the baby will be turning to one side, okay, and skin to skin contact we have to let it happen and that can be carried out for 1 to 2 hours। आप कब तक ऐसे रख सकते हो बेबी को? 1 to 2 hours every day। okay, okay, for at least 2-3 times you can do in a day, so that the baby's temperature will be getting regularized and maintained due to the mother's body temperature। mother का जो body temperature है that is quite high and normal, so वो जो है baby का skin catch up करेगा जब हम उनको साथ में will let them sleep together। okay, जैसे ही उन दोनों का skin contact में आएगा, mother's जो higher temperature है that will be coming in contact with the baby's skin, जिससे कि baby का जो temperature जो कि लो था क्योंकि वो प्री टर्म है, लो बर्थ वेट है, दैट विल बी मेंटेन्ड एंड कंट्रोल्ड। ओके, सो द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर ऑफ योर KMC इज, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट की पॉइंट ऑफ योर KMC इज योर, दैट इज योर स्किन टू स्किन कॉन्टैक्ट, दैट हेल्प्स इन ट्रीटिंग योर हाइपोथर्मिया ऑफ प्रीटर्म एंड LBW babies। ओके, क्लियर? That is the position in which you have to do। okay, then comes your nutrition। nutrition is very essential key factor for improving the low birth weight baby। baby low birth weight hai, so baby needs proper nutrition so that the baby's weight will be gained up। yes, so the most important nutritional factor in your KMC is exclusive breastfeeding। okay, this is the most important factor of your KMC which helps in treating the LBW of baby। clear? so exclusive breastfeeding helps in treatment of your LBW। कैसे? देखो, अगर exclusive breastfeeding करेंगे, the mother's breast milk consists of your vitamin A, C, minerals, calories, etc। so these calories are gonna help the baby to gain weight। obviously the baby will be gaining weight, तो धीरे धीरे करके the baby will be coming back to its means the actual weight. Okay, the baby का जो है इससे weight gain होगा, weight gain होने पर baby's low birth weight problem can be recoverized. Okay, so that is the most key important key factor of your KMC. जो skin to skin contact means position कैसे रखना है, skin to skin contact means mother will be lying, baby को उनके ऊपर between the mother's breast you have to keep the baby, baby's head should be turned to one side. Yes, then exclusive breastfeeding. Exclusive breastfeeding is very very important for treating of your LBW babies. Yes, after that the last one is your follow up and discharge. After the mother is getting discharged also, you ask the mother for regular follow ups and checkups, so that we'll be able to check the mother's health as well as we'll be able to weigh the baby's weight, how much weight gain the baby is having. Okay, this is clear about you. Okay, one more thing you need to understand, just see, ये तो मैंने लो बर्थ वेट बेबी का कहा, अगर मान लीजिए द बेबी इज okay, just see, I will be telling you, if the baby's weight is less than 24 weeks, तब आप क्या करेंगे, what kind of the baby is extreme low birth weight, obviously less than 24 weeks के पहले the baby is getting birth weight, the baby is preterm also and low birth weight also. What you gonna do to improve the nutritional status of the baby? If the baby is born in less than 24 weeks, only IV administration should be done. आप उस बेबी को ब्रेस्ट फीड नहीं करवा सकते हो बिकॉज बेबी स्वैलोइंग रिफ्लेक्स इज नॉट मैच्योर्ड एट दैट टाइम, इज नॉट डेवलप. लेस देन 24 वीक्स के बच्चे का जो स्वैलोइंग रिफ्लेक्स है एंड सकिंग रिफ्लेक्स है दैट इज नॉट प्रॉपरली डेवलप्ड, सो यू कैन नॉट लेट द बेबी डू अ ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग. Okay, so less than 24 weeks baby cannot have anything so apart from IV administration. Yes, this is the important factor. If the weight of the baby is 24 say 28 weeks, then if the baby doesn't need IV administration, orogastric feeding can be done. Means the tube is passed through the basically the oral cavity through the into the stomach through which the baby can be fed with it. Okay, orogastric feeding आप करा सकते हो. Yes, after that if the baby is born between 28 to 32 weeks, then paladai feeding. Okay, paladai feeding. What is paladai feeding? Paladai feeding is also called as spoon and katori feeding. मतलब अगर बेबी अगर 28 से 32 वीक्स के बीच में अगर हुआ है तब उस बेबी को आप स्पून एंड कटोरी ट्रीटमेंट से आप बेसिकली उसे फीड अप कर सकते हो. ओके, यू कैन डू, क्योंकि 32 वीक्स तक अराउंड बेबी को स्वैलोइंग रिफ्लेक्स उसकी इंप्रूव करा सकते हैं, तो आप बेसिकली 28 से 32 वीक्स और टिल 34 वीक्स ऑल्सो यू कैन कैरी द स्पून एंड कटोरी फीडिंग, ओके, आप उसे करा सकते हो. क्लियर? आफ्टर दैट, बियॉन्ड दैट 34 वीक्स के बाद अगर बेबी इज बॉर्न मीन्स आप उसे ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग करा सकते हो. क्लियर? If the baby is born between 24 to 28 weeks, आप उसका एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन करा सकते हो. ओके, 28 से 32 if the baby is born means you can do the orogastric feeding, and 32 to 34 is paladai feeding, yes, or spoon and katori feeding, and more than 34 weeks this is your breastfeeding. Exclusive breastfeeding can be done, and exclusive breastfeeding is done till 6 months the baby. बेबी के 6 मंथ्स होने तक एक्सक्लूसिव ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग शुड बी डन. एम आई क्लियर? ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ वी कैन क्लासीफाई व्हाट इज LBW. सो व्हाट वी वेंट थ्रू, that is LBW is your low birth weight baby. Okay, that is the normal weight of the baby is that is 2.5 kg. If the baby is born with a weight of less than 2.5 kg, we are saying it low birth weight baby. But if the baby is born then less than 1.5 kg, okay, we are saying it very low birth weight baby. And if the baby is born at a weight less than 1 kg or 1000 grams, that is called as an extremely low birth weight baby. and the gestational age or the term of the baby also decides whether the baby is low birth weight or not. Means agar the baby is preterm, then also the baby is gonna have a low birth weight. Okay, preterm is if the baby is born less than 34 weeks, that is your preterm, and late preterm is 34 से 37 के बीच में अगर हुआ तो late preterm कह सकते हैं. Okay, and 38 to 41 is the term baby, that means healthy baby. Okay, that is the actual age of taking birth. And if it is means taking birth after 40 weeks, that is your post infant, post term infant, post term. Clear? That is it. And what we understood, that what are the kind of feedings we can be doing. Okay, and one thing you need to remember, okay, the from birth till first 6 months you have to just feed the baby with exclusive breastfeeding. Okay, and after 6 months to 1 year you can give, you know, that dal water you can give to them, and after one year you can give smashed potatoes. Okay, smashed carrots can be given. Okay, and one more important factor as a role of nurse, what you can do is you can encourage the mother for a KMC care, that is a kangaroo mother care, in which the baby is allowed to lie on between the mother's breast and the head of the baby is turned to one side. Skin to skin contact is maintained, as well as the nutritional status with exclusive breastfeeding is done to increase the weight of the baby. Okay, as well as a follow up and discharge checkup. Okay, so this is how we completed the low birth weight chapter. Okay, and many more things are there about it. Okay, if any doubts you are having, you can ask your doubts in the comment section. We'll be surely replying to it. Okay, and do like, share and subscribe to our channel and go through the classes, and have a very good day. Thank you.